Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day so far. Today for phonics, we are going to be talking about diagraphs. So we have been doing blends, and for a blend, we know that it's two letters, and we know that we hear each letter sound in the blend. So I know you guys have been doing L blends and S blends. And in those blends, we would make the sound for each letter. So for BL, BL makes bull, B-ul. We hear each letter sound in that blend. Same for SK, which is like Miss Skiba. We hear both the S and the K. We hear sk, sk. So we hear both letter sounds in a blend. But a diagraph is something a little bit different because it's also two letters, but they make a brand new sound. So instead of making the letter sound for each letter in the diagraph, they make one new sound. Instead of two sounds, it's just one sound. So today we are going to be looking at the diagraph sh. So S and H make sh. Kind of like you're telling someone to be quiet. Shh. You do not sound out each letter, so it's not going to be s. It makes a new sound. It makes the sh sound. So we have sh, L, and that's shell. We have sh, ein, that's shine. And we have sh, op, that's shop. So we can see that those two letters are making their very own sound. It's a new sound. So that's the difference between a diagraph and a blend. A blend, we make each sound in the blend, each letter sound, and a diagraph makes one new sound. So S plus H makes sh sound. It's kind of like you're telling someone to be quiet. You're going to put your finger to their mouth and say shh. Can you try it with me? Shh. Great. So we're going to try to read all of these words together. So we have ship, shore, shirt, shut, shoe, shy, shed, sheep, and shark. We can also have SH or sh at the end of a word. So down here you can see that it also can come at the end, like in fish, wash, push, cash, all of those words. So it can come at the beginning or the end. So today you guys are going to find this page in the packet. It has 5 pictures on it, and you guys are going to look at each picture. You're going to read each word, and you're going to say the sh in each word. And then, after you finish reading these words, like sheep and shoes, you're going to think of 10 other words that also have the sh sound, like shiny or ship. Oh, that one's on here. You guys will think of so many more. I just know it. So we're going to read these 5 words, and then we're going to think of 10 other words that have the sh sound. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks.